Another high school is in the news following a case of assault against a coach. As Keon Rayner reports, this latest case concerns the matter of alleged sexual assault by a football coach against a minor at a corporate area high school.
Well-known football coach Kevin Sensor Williams is now before the court following allegations that he sexually assaulted a 15-year-old female student of Mona High School in October 2017. The Center for Investigation of Sexual Offences Against Child Abuse, CISOCA, had charged Williams with having sexual intercourse with a person under the age of 16. Speaking with TVJ Sports by phone on Wednesday, Williams, who coached the Manning Cup team at the St. Andrew-based institution in 2017, strongly denied the allegations. He, however, confirmed that he is scheduled to reappear in the halfway tree court on March 11, 2019. Williams' attorney, Patrick Peterkin, declined to comment on the matter when contacted by TVJ Sports via telephone on Wednesday. It is understood that the parent of the minor had reported the matter to the Ministry of Education. When TVJ Sports checked with Education Minister Senator Will Reid on Wednesday, he was unaware of the matter but directed a query to the Communications Department of the ministry. Another teacher, Sashona Wellington, is set to appear before the Clarendon Parish Court on November 23 on a charge of assaulting a teenager at Vere Technical with a piece of PVC pipe on November 1. The school board of Vere Technical, which is chaired by Henry Thompson, is also having its own disciplinary hearing into the matter. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Rayner.